Elementum helped Sanofi with their concierge experience by giving it the capability for employees to go there and get work done.
The beauty of what we've done now with Snowflake and Elementum is that we no longer move data. We can tailor design workflows from within the data set that we have. At Sanofi, I'd like to say that we have unconventional problems to solve, and therefore we take an unconventional approach to many things. When the major tech players came to us to propose their off-the-shelf LM solutions, generative AI solutions, we saw that they were too cookie cutter and not representing our values as a company. So we created Concierge. Much like what you've experienced in a hotel, Concierge for us, it's our entry point to all the questions Sanofians have about the company, about operating in a company. It understands who you are, your context, your geography, your reporting lines, and it's fed with all our operating procedures within the company.
Every company has the same issue. Employees don't know where to go for solving problems. There's an agent for this, an agent for that. There's 10 agents per department. Elementum helped Sanofi with their concierge experience by giving it the capability for employees to go there and get work done. They can go to Concierge and purchase something. They can go to Concierge and request HR topics. They can go to Concierge and get ready for their sales meeting. Elementum has a deterministic backbone that also works with a probabilistic engine. So when you need the same process to run over and over again, you need it to be auditable. This is an engine that allows you to run the same process every way, the same time, day in and day out.
The big shift for us was when we introduced Elementum to build workflows where now Concierge would act on your behalf and would do things and accomplish activities that you could not do before. That's where it was game-changing for us, because we've opened a complete new paradigm in the company of what activities you can do inside Concierge. The beauty of what we've done now with Snowflake and Elementum is that we no longer move data. The data stays in Snowflake, and Elementum's workflows run straight on that substrate of data. It doesn't have to go up or down, it moves there. We retain control of the data, and we can tailor design workflows from within the data set that we have.
So Elementum's unique advantage is that we work with the customer to turn on these workflows and these apps on top of their data. The data issue for CIOs has been around for a long time. They've always wanted to control their data, and so they move their data to data clouds. But in the AI age, where your data sits completely dictates how well you could use AI models on that data. So it's becoming a massive issue.
I could not be more excited about the time that we're coming in, where we can now truly use AI to design personalized workflows to the company, which means you go away from the rigidity of the system of records and you move into a world where you can design to optimize your workflows, use agents to do the work on your behalf, eliminating potentially the business process outsourcers that are in the way, and driving top-line growth through innovation that you had no access to before.
What Emmanuel did was very, very special, and it's what every CIO wants to do. He brought AI into the organization, made it easy for every end user to get value from AI. He got off legacy SaaS vendors, and he got his data back.